Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Neo Classic. So, eto, parking lot pa lang, very interesting na yung mga kotseng makikita natin. So, bago tayo pumasok sa loob, ikutan muna natin yung mga kotse dito sa paligid, sa isahin natin. Let's go! So, syempre, simulan natin sa Z3. Meron tayong special spot dito sa gitna. And then, of course, yung mga owner type Jeep at ibang klase. ITB 4AG ata to, I'm not sure. And then this one 3S GTE na naka turbo. So grabe, sobrang tindi ng imagination ng mga nagbi-build nitong owner type Jeep. Halos turbo, naka turbo. And then Nismo GTR. And then GR Yaris. And across is yung mga local Yaris natin. '86 ni Stephen. And then RX-7 wheelside. Na merong Tommy Mäkinen Evo 6. And then this area, mga Honda. So merong EF, another EF. Medyo Kanjo-Zouko yung tsura nila. Parang copy na copy yung nasa Japan pero galing. So itong medyo naka-ramp na area is for I'd say display parking for some cars. And then ito yung mga kaibigan natin na bumisita sa Neo Classic. So tingnan natin madalang kotse nila. Defender, Evo 4, STI, Skyline R32. Project car na project car, hindi pa napinturahan yung bagong bumper. And then Galant VR4 ba to? Pero I'm not sure, pero sobrang ganda. Boss. Ay! JT! Musta? And then meron tayong Evo 7 dito. Grabe, iba talaga dating ng Evo 7, no? Mini. Ito yung super rare na Honda Accord Wagon. So dati white yan kay Ref Bangsil. And then the new owner ginawa niyang red. Looks good. Type R, the new one. And then another Type R. Civic Type R Evo 6. Then Evo 9. Evo 9. Ooh, NC Miata. To be honest, bukod sa ND, ito yung favorite body ko ng Miata na medyo modern. Why? Because of this OEM fender flare. Maganda siya pag nalagyan ng tamang sukat ng wheels. Ganda nito. Actually, tumataas na presyo nito. Before, like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, nasa mga 800,000 lang to. Pero ngayon, lagpas 1 million na. So, yeah. And then, LC300 na naka-TE 37 na wheels. Kotse ni Bry. MRS. E30. Evo 6. Another Miata. Another Miata NA. Montego Blue. Then yung Huracan ni Rafi. We have some bikes here. And a few cars there, pero mamaya na natin ikutan yan. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Yun, no? 964 garage 2233, full carbon body, center lock from 997 GT3, and then twin turbo engine. Liberty Walk 997 from import hookup. GTR.
Yo, don't forget to grab our limited edition souvenirs over at the entrance area. Limited edition Neo Classic PH 2024 t-shirts are on
Silvia
sale
S14
over at the souvenirs booth at the entrance area. Alongside that, you're going to be able to see the finalists of our photo contest to the Neo Classic PH 2024 edition. The photo contest finalists are on display over there at the entrance area as well.
RWB. We have another RWB.
So we have DJ Nico Gavin in the ones and twos. Live mixes right here on the main stage. Right in front of him are the awesome trophies.
CRX.
His first ever Neo Classic PH event, which includes the Neo's Trophy,
DC5 Type R. CRX, another Honda CRX. Then we have Oryx, Mazda RX-7 FD. Supra. Very rare Silvia S15 convertible. Grabe, sobrang linis ng dashboard nito. Not sure if Orig left, pero parang pinaka-perfect na interior ng Silvia yata to. S15 to be exact. Sobrang ganda ng dashboard. Sa mga nakakaalam ng JDM cars, normally itong mga Silvia S15 wala silang left-hand drive. So, mga nandito, putol dashboard yon, from right-hand drive para maging left-hand drive. Pero grabe, iba yung quality ng interior. Skyline R34. Siyempre, the early 911. Kompleto, pati yung mga factory stickers. Dito naman tayo sa booth ni Auto Plus. So yung Ford GT nila. Then full carbon GTR 35. S15, GR Yaris, and then the Turbo Jimny. Siyempre yung kotse ni Kev, no? Yung S15 niya.
And of course, we have those selfies happening at all the booths. And our friends from the Alcoholic Brainstorm, we take their photo.
Grabe, sobrang mahal nitong Skyline R34 GTR na to. Wheels pa lang. LMGT4. V-Spec. Grabe. Sobrang wild nito.
We got responsible bring it over. We got Mr. Rapping over rapping all.
Period correct. ARC. Airbox. Grabe. Then we have Ramon Bautista judging the car. Toyota Celica 2000 GT. Honda NSX. Sobrang rare na 90s supercar. Honda VTEC V6. Wild. Factory spec.
It's really hard to choose, too early to tell at this point which car is my top 3. Top 1 doon, sigurado no, ang top 1 ng Mochico, syempre. Love your own, mga paps. Yeah. How about you? You have a top 3?
Well, for me now, it's like what you said, it's really hard to select which ones should be the top 3. With a lot of choices over here. We got some radical builds. We have a Porsche over there with an RB26 engine from a GTR. We have a Miata over here with a rotary engine. Man, the choices are so difficult. We also have a record-breaking GR Yaris from Auto Plus. 2 minutes 06 around Flag International Speedway. It's a record.
Hello. Silipin natin yung crowd dito sa labas. Time check, almost 6 PM. Grabe, ang dami pa rin tao dito kahit sa labas. Grabe, sobrang wild ng crowd ngayon dito sa Neo Classic, and sobrang feel mo yung pagkahilig ng natin mga Pinoy sa auto. So yeah, dumidilim na pero dumadami pa rin yung mga tao na dumadating para silipin yung mga display dito sa labas, and of course yung mga display natin dun sa loob. So dito na lang tong video na to. Until next time, see you guys.